Shanghai Hugong fully supports national welding competition as smart welding equipment debuts in Hangzhou. Organizers welcome participants. Participants sign in. Shanghai Hugong provides 35 welders, full accessories, and on-site technical support throughout the event. 37 teams, 107 top welders, including World 500 strong state-owned enterprises, Hong Kong, and World Skills outstanding contestants, gathering here to compete on the same stage. Sparks fly, focus never wavers. Every focused figure deserves to be captured. Hugong equipment provided full-spectrum support throughout the competition, ensuring that the participants delivered stable performance and completed the contest smoothly. After the competition, the judges meticulously assessed the finished products of every contestant. Award ceremony, a moment of well-deserved glory. Congratulations to all award winners! Shanghai Hugong will continue to support the intelligent and digital upgrading of welding technology